Alright guys, how are we doing? The beautiful Superbike up for grabs tonight, or 8 grand tax-free cash, plenty of other cash competitions as well, and the Rolex is up for grabs too, or 8 grand. So there's all the other live competitions on the site. 2018 AMG Mercedes GLC with the RS6 4-sprung, and then the unbelievable X5. So there's 30, 60 and 30 grand tax-free cash is available for that lineup. And there we go, refreshing time and date, 5 minutes past 10, Tuesday 7th of May 2024. Hope you're all keeping well. Random number generator, of course, to select the winner. So we're going to do the 2.5 grand tax-free cash to start with, low odds competition. So 1 to 250, 1 to 250, 2.5 grand. Good luck guys entered. Our winning ticket number is boom. Okay, a couple of confirmations there. Alright, Billy saying let's go. Roxy, evening. And that's nearly slap bang in the middle of the range. Just got a couple of confirmations. And let's see who the first winner is. Flounders, Kellyanne's looking for the Rolex. Dylan saying HWG boys. Do you know what that is?
No.
HWG.
I haven't a clue.
Hope it's not bad. Is it?
What was after? HWG.
Boys.
Boys.
Flounders. Mikael.
Not a notion.
And one more confirmation for the 2.5 grand. Jump over to the spreadsheet. And how are we going?
Ah.
Very good. I'm not down with the kids, obviously.
Me neither. That's not something I'd say.
Oh, we're still waiting for one more confirmation. When you got the 2. Come on, folks.
It's a Scottish chant.
And one more confirmation. Plenty on watching. I'll just go for it. I can see 2.
We're already there. Let's go.
Yeah. Right, 126 is confirmed by Georgina there as well. 126. And for the 2.5 grand is PM Hannah. Well done. PM Hannah goes up and down. We've got the AirPods coming next. So keep the confirmations rolling. We'll get through it a bit quicker, and then on to the, well, 2.5 grand is a big prize. Even bigger prizes. 1, 2, 5, 9, 9 for the AirPods. 1 to 599. Good luck everybody. Winning ticket number is boom. I should have said HWG. HWG.
You should have said.
You know, get people hyped up. Here we go.
I don't think.
Maybe they say it better than me,
I don't think they're bound to be shouting HWG. Would they? That would be weird.
Well, Dylan, did they just say the 3 letters, or did they actually say the whole words?
They're bound to say the words.
The whole line. And Jay, Ryan, and Alison, and Bailey, 174.
But it's obviously so common over there, they've shortened it.
HWG entries, and let's see, 174. Unsold. What an anticlimax to my big HWG build up there. So we're going again. Right, 1 to 599 for the AirPods. HWG. Yeah, we said boom. What do you think?
Paul Hart's going here. I'm not gonna say it.
Right, a few confirmations.
Dylan need to keep it PG. It's after 9 o'clock. Doesn't matter. No kids watching.
Well, you know.
No.
Evening David Farmer there. Mika, David, Jay and Alison, 412 for the Apple AirPods. 412. Is it a winner? Yeah, no it's not. No it's not. We're going again.
Go back to boom. HWG is not working.
1 to 599. HWG. That's the last time.
Please stop saying that. I don't say HWG like.
Seriously, ta-da!
No.
Right. So Bailey's confirmed. Arena, and one for luck. Jay, thanks guys, 290. 290. And I think we got a winner. Yes, we do. 290. It is Georgie Christinel Balint. Georgie,
Yeah.
I'm just going for Georgie. Don't know if that's correct, but well done. You've got the Apple AirPods. Congratulations. On to the Samsung Robot Hoover now. It's 12599 as well. Couple of clicks outside the range. 12599. 12599 for the Samsung JetBot. Good luck, please entered. You know what's coming.
Boom.
Ta-da!
No.
Oh, look at that for a number. On the very first ta-da. So, that's just amazing on its own. Let's see if we get a winner or not. And Bailey's confirmed. Dave Farmer said, please go back to Boom. Arena and David, thanks guys. 555. On the entries, 555. Have we got a winner? 555. No, we don't. No, we don't. We're going again. 12599. Good luck, it's answered. Boom! Alright. It just goes well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'll see if we get a winner this time. Then we've got the Hugo Boss gift card next. And a few cash prizes. So Jay is confirmed. And so is Oisin and Ryan. 15 got a winner. Kirsty Hollier. Well done, Kirsty. So that's the Samsung Robot Hoover on its way to you. And Hugo Boss £500 gift voucher coming next. 599 tickets for it as well. There we go. So 12599. 12599. Good luck, everybody. Winning ticket number is boom. Okay, a couple of confirmations of that. So a few shout outs there to the first few winners. Where he is from. So PM Hannah won the 2.5 grand is from Ballymena, Northern Ireland. Georgie, who won the AirPods, is from London, mate. And Kirsty, who won the Samsung Robot Hoover, is from Raynham. Sure. For the Hugo Boss, waiting for a couple of confirmations. On to entries, Susie's confirmed. Oisin's waiting for the 1000 RR.
Too far.
Coming up at the end. And I think we've got a winner here for the Hugo Boss. Waiting for a couple of more confirmations coming through. I'll slowly highlight the winner. And the confirmation's just a little bit slow there. The comments, Alison's confirmed. And there we go, Jay, 350. William Pearson, well done, William. That's the Hugo Boss £500 voucher on its way to you. 800 quid for only 99p coming next. So let's get it set up. There were 16.99 tickets for it. So 1699. 1 to 1699. £800 tax-free cash, only 99p. Good luck if it's entered. A winning ticket number is boom. Okay, a few confirmations. Let's see if we got a winner. And shout out there to is William Pearson, who won the Hugo Boss vouchers from Manchester. Congratulations, Manchester, England. Oliver, no, BMW Superbike is the last one. A couple more to get through before we get there. Campbell Kid, Katie, and Bailey, 1333. On to entries. 1333. And no, unsold ticket. Unsold, we're going again. So 1 to 1699. Good luck, everybody. Boom for the £800 tax-free cash. So let's see if we're going to win this time. We've got the final of the instant wins coming next. And There's a prize every time, cash or scratch. So Katie, Campbell and Ran 814. And yep, got a winner this time. Aisling Carr. Aisling, congratulations. £800 tax-free cash on its way to you. Close that down. So we're going to the final of the instant wins. So everybody won a prize and everyone's back in the hat for the chance to win £1,000 tax-free cash. So there we go. 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. 1 to 5, 0, 0, 0. It's the £1,000 final prize of the instant wins. Good luck everybody. Winning ticket number is boom. Right, let's see this time if we've got a winner or not. And here we go. So Aisling Carr, who won the 800 quid, is from Galway, Ireland. Irina Bailey and Flounders 2585. Let's see if it's a winner. 2585, and yep, straight in on a winner first time. 2585, and it is Kirstine McLeod. Well done, Kirstine. That's the grand on its way to you. Congratulations. Right, £4 grand for only 4p. 4p in entry. Someone's winning £4,000 tax-free cash. Let's get it set up here. It's your 4p. You wouldn't even miss it. 1, 2, 199999. 1 to 199999. £4 grand tax-free cash, only 4p a ticket. Good luck everybody. Winning ticket number is boom. Okay, a couple of confirmations of that one. And we're coming up to the Rolex Starbucks or £8 grand next. And then after that, we've got the BMW Superbike or £8 grand as well. So Bailey, Irina and Katie, 161978. 161978. I've got a winner. And just scroll down to it, down the bottom of this list, I believe. 161978. Dun, dun, dun. Looks like we have 161978, and it is Robbie Sewell. Well done, Robbie. £4 grand on its way to you for your 4p ticket. Right, get on to a couple of the big ones now. The Rolex are £8 grand, so what's everybody going for? I'll just refresh the page, get it all lines up. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 999. 1 to 2, 4, 999. The Rolex Submariner Starbucks are £8 grand tax-free cash. Good luck to these entered. Winning ticket number is boom. Okay, nice low number. And we'll see if we got a winner. Dave's going for the money. So we'll get a couple of confirmations in. We'll see who the winner is. So Robbie Sewell, who won the £4 grand, is from Newcastle upon Tyne. And Kirstine McLeod, who won the £1,000, is from the Isle of Lewis. So Katie, Bailey, Campbell, Kid and Irina and Christian, 482. 482. Have we got a winner? Dun, dun, dun. Yes, we do. 482, and it is Massage Pilarski. Massage, congratulations. That's the Rolex or £8 grand on its way to you. Congratulations, well done. So close that one down. What about that? The S1000RR Superbike or £8 grand up for grabs as well. Beautiful colours there. So what's everybody going for this? Are they going for the Superbike or the £8 grand? We'll just refresh the page, get it all set up again. For the last competition of the night. 1, 2, 24999. 1 to 24999. Great saying, right? Come on, guys. So what are we going for? Owen's going for the bike. I'll tell you the number for the bike. Susie's going for the bike. Christopher bike. And Pablo's going for the bike. Dylan's going for the bike. Anyone win it? £8,000? Not looking like it. And Katie's going for the bike. Paul's going for the bike. This could be like a total. Oshi's going for the bike. So 1,
That's 8 I've counted.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jimmy as well. Harry.
David's going for the money.
You get 10 out of 10.
Oh, it's
David.
Alison.
And Alison we had there. We're 9 to 2. Josh is going for the bike. So 10 to 2. Renee's going for the bike. Bike definitely has it anyway.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 4, 999. The super bike or £8,000 tax free cash. Good luck is entered. Winning ticket number is for the final couple of nights. Boom. Okay. Let's get a few confirmations of that. Let's see if we've got a winner. And one saying I'm waking the neighbours up if I win this. Getting a couple of confirmations in coming in. And see who is winning it.
I hope everyone said text like.
And Campbell Kid, Dylan, and Susie 19276. 19276. Have we got a winner? 276 looks like we have. 19276, and it is Paul Hill. Well done, Paul. Congratulations. You have no bother going up them steep bits of road. I can't think of the exact name of people might call such a steep incline on a road.
Would you hurry up and pick up the phone and ring him?
Well, that's S 1000 RR. You have no problem.
You just see the wee brain just ticking. Just like, oh, I have to say it.
The small mountain. Is that what they're called? Must be, yeah.
That's what it is, yeah.
Right. Paul, here we go. Where's he from? Hello, Paul.
Yes.
How you doing?
Not so bad.
Good. Do you know who it is?
No.
No.
Yes, he does.
Do you?
He does.
He said that.
I don't know. I don't believe him.
The better half doesn't believe you, but it's Richard here from Storm Competitions.
Right.
Do you know why I'm phoning you now?
Is it the motorbike?
It could be. Would you be very excited if it was?
Yes.
Well,
Oh, I see.
prepare to be very excited. You just won the S1000.
No way.
100%. Just
I don't believe that. Oh my god. That's amazing.
it's a tasty one, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, that's on bike then.
It is indeed.
I think we know where Paul might be from.
Yeah, let's make this and being absolutely honest.
I was going to.
Nothing.
Well, it's a good way to start.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
So what part of Ballymoney are you from? Alright, yeah, the accent give it away.
That's some bike, eh?
Yeah.
There we are, that's amazing. That's unreal.
So, well, do I have to ask what are you going to go for, the bike or the money?
Oh, here, I'll have to have a wee think about it, so well.
Yeah.
I'll have to have a wee think about it, perhaps. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Very good.
So it is.
Yeah.
Oh, class, thank you.
You're very welcome. Listen, we'll be in touch later on after the draw or first thing in the morning. You have a sleep on it, and we'll keep the bike nice and safe for you.
That's brilliant. That's excellent. Thank you very much.
100%. All right.
All right.
Cheers, Paul.
Cheers.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
There we go. Fantastic.
He's happy.
He's a happy guy. So, £8 of the superbike is his. What's up tomorrow night? Don't even know. What is it?
I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday.
Same bank holiday.
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. There's cool stuff on the site anyway. Grab a few tickets. See us tomorrow night and get in.